Are you ready? Here you go.
So hi, I'm Nolan. This is a BB gun video. So
Show them how you load it and how you pump it first.
one. Well, I already pumped it one time. Okay. Dad, can you pump this?
Push it down.
How do you? I couldn't. Pump it 10 times.
All right, that's good.
Okay, so.
Now, how do you load it?
Yeah, pump it, load it.
Keep that barrel up. Need a little help?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hold it.
BB's in the chamber.
Yep.
Yep. There it is. All right, now show them how you hit that target.
So, you see this
Yep.
and this.
Yep.
So, yeah, that is safety off.
Yeah, I think that it's off.
Nope. Off.
Okay, line it up. Show me how you hit that thing.
Okay.
Oh, you did it.
So this is a light phone.
Did you put it on safety?
Yep. Oh,
Show them where it hit. Point it out. I think that it was that one right there.
Dad,
Yeah.
would it go in this wood?
Probably bounce off. All right, that's enough for the YouTube video. Can you say goodbye?
Bye.